Your your jaws. You're like that.
I don't know.
Remember it? You creeped me out at
I gotta remember.
at Panera.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Ew, that was gross.
Your lip is like.
I know, it's like thin. That looks weird.
No, it does look out weird now. You have to. Well, it has to like out.
It looks scary.
Look.
Nah.
Oh, doggy. That's okay.
Don't hit my booty. She's so cute.
No. You're just like, no. You're, put it.